Hi everyone, I did my article review on the article of plants on display. To summarize the article, it was about a 10-week process of plant display in an elementary school, and the goal was to provide hands-on experience with the process of plant growth. And I really enjoyed this article because it discussed the importance of having K through 12 curriculum, being able to experience this life science learning. To summarize the activity, it was a 10-week process that was themed based on about 5 biology principles, which was plant families, the environment, plant organs, growth, reproduction, and plant origins. So it was all this great information that was implemented into this process. And it was accessible to all students in the school, which was awesome because it wasn't just 2 or 3 classes that got to be a part of this experience. It was the whole school, and I believe they did it in a library so all students could get the experience. And this activity also had many opportunities to use different lessons. So I believe different classes measured plant growth, root growth, dissected plants, and then an art class also made art portraits. So that was awesome. And then they just got to see the performance of plant growth and how well they did indoors. So these are some examples that I provided. This is a similar picture to what was in the article and how the plant was displayed in a in a school setting. And then also you can take this lesson further by having your students create the plant life cycle, and you can do like a creative bulletin board so they get the full understanding of the process. Some effective science practices that I found this experiment to be was that it was a great hands-on experience. Students will also learn to appreciate plant growth and the process of it and the necessities that plants need in order to survive. And like I said in prior slides, you can incorporate other lessons that different subjects did. So this is multiple learning opportunities, and of course it implements the standards. And then I found this video on YouTube that is a short video that I believe it's first grade. They're planting their seed and they're gonna watch their seed grow. And some classroom problems I found throughout the article was possibly there could be a bug infestation due to all the plants, lack of materials, maybe a low-income school may not have the opportunity to have all these, the variety of plants. So that would be a problem. And then you want to have this location for all students to view. Like in this article, it was, I believe, in a library, so all students could access this. And then, of course, plant care. Like, you want to have somebody take care of the plants and let them bloom and not die. And I think that's a really important it's really important in this process, because students want to see their plants progress and succeed. And if you don't have that proper care, then the experience is not maybe significant. So, and that's all. Thank you for watching.